let's get things started. First off, I'm going to clean the car down, then I'm going to key the areas that need a little bit of paint blown in. Then it's going to be a case of getting some more undercoat on these panels. That's the blue applied, hopefully for the last time. I'm just wet sanding down the undercoat on this door. Now this door, I don't know if you can see all the dark spots there. That is actually the, what I call a travel primer that they put on this initially. I obviously keyed it and primed it. As I say, this is now the undercoat. But it just goes to show you how bad that metal is really when you receive it. Nice and smooth now though. Just going around filling any indentations in. They're just like fingernail indentations, very small. So tiny little dings, very small, all smooth. And of course when you think you're ready for an undercoat, you see a whole lot more that you haven't done. All those little divots in the gutter there. Pretty strange that they're all pretty much up at the rear end. I'm guessing it might have something to do with the roof rack or chucking stuff on the roof rack, I don't know. So I'm going to let that go off and then have a little reorganisation of my garage because I can't get to that back bit to get any paint on there, so just need to move a few things out of the way and then get on it. Totally forgot about all these bits that are going to need a coat of paint also, and I'm just taking this wooden panel down, get it out of the way of this track. I want to take this track off so I can get some masking tape and cover this whole hatch area up for paint. Now I've just seen that one of the little clips up there is broken, so I have to get hold of one of them. Apart from that, it ain't too sad up here. I think I'm going to get these hinge covers off though because someone's decided to paint them not very well. It's a simple job. Two little screws holding that curtain track, both of different sizes I might add, and I can't get them out. So I'm going to have to resort to the old Dremel. Got it. Just put a bigger slot into the head of the screw so I can get a better screwdriver on it. I might remove all of these tracks yet anyway. I'm not too sure if I'm going to go down the route of having magnetic curtains. It might be a cleaner look if I do. I mean, why would you do that? That factory grey looks a million times better than painting whatever that is. That is terrible. Actually, that grey isn't even the original paint. That white is there. What the hell? Right, here we go. Undercoat time. So that's pretty much the entire bus in its final undercoat stage now. Got a few runs in it and a little bit of dust, but nothing that could be rubbed out. My sheeting started falling away from the door again, and got a lot of excess paint on that pillar, but like I say, nothing that can't get rubbed out. And I'm going to let that go off, renew all the sheeting around the windows, do a better tape job, and it'll be ready for the final colour, I think. I don't think I've mentioned what the final colour's going to be. So, VW Run 22. Done it last year, and I just wanted to get a little bit of paint on the bus, I believe. So I've just done the engine lid on that. If I remember rightly, I think I'm going to say getting the bus completely painted. So I'll get that done in dribs and drabs. Hopefully. Yeah, VW Run 22, complete paint job on the bus. Actually, I want to challenge myself just that little bit more and say that I want to get the engine in the Beetle. So just to reiterate, it's going to be engine in the Beetle, full paint job on the bus. And if you're going to join in VW Run 22, just hashtag it, and all the videos could be found a lot easier on YouTube. Just been giving it a little bit of a polish up, and yes, there was a few little bits that needed touching up with paint again. It really is never ending. So I've got this Volkswagen West headliner kit, and I might go ahead and stick that roof piece in. Just getting impatient, that's all. Using this 3M high strength 90, and I'm just going to go along the first edge, do it bit by bit, see how I go. I'm going to put the camera down for a bit though. Oh well, nearly got it done. Run out of gear though. I did use some elsewhere, I can't remember for the life of me what on, but I reckon I'm going to have to get at least another couple of cans. I know, it was the door panel for the Beetle. I think I'm going to have to start breaking this door down. That's so heavy with all the glass and that stuff in. Well, that rubber still can go. Actually, I'll get it turned over, I think. Take all these out, I'll save these just in case. Now I'm a fan of this type of screwdriver you can get a spanner on, because when it comes to these screws being well tight, just get a nice bite on it with that. Get the door handle off. You've got two Allen head bolts there. That's a bit bad. Looks like they tried to glue this channel in purely because the clip has lost its tab, so obviously it wasn't holding up there. Slowly prise that out. What are you caught on? Not glass, surely not. Just caught on the regulator, that's all. Crusty. Gonna need a bit of work. So what's the best adhesive to hold these seals in? Comment below. So that's my lot for today. I'm done. So until next time, make it better than it was, and I'll see you on the next one.